I'm ready to go. Go, start filming now.
Okay, right.
Just filming. We're just filming the same thing. We are filming the same thing.
Same thing for 3 minutes. That is weird.
We are filming the same thing.
It's not weird, it's fantastic.
Hello.
Awesome.
This is pretty sad, you know. But it's cool at the same time. I know it were. Sad, aren't I?
Yeah.
I just said sad, aren't I, about 8 times. Isn't it? Let's check everybody's cameras there. That's a good one.
Damn good.
You're meant to be filming the same thing, Tony, not moving.
Oh, well, I'm at. Oh, okay. Nobody told me rules on that one.
But the question is, what music do we put?
Don't do that, pedo cats.
We will stab you.
We shall stab you with pleasure.
Jump styling, or you're just doing random. One sec, can someone take my camera?
Two cameras.
What are you doing? Oh shit, here we go.
Because I can't. My feet are wet, but I'm still doing it.
No. Should we dance off? Who hasn't got cameras? Who hasn't got cameras? Dance off. Yeah, Paul.
Not to camera dancing.
Go, go. Dance off. Here we go. Yes.
I think I should go last since I'm training.
No.
Lift them up in the air
Dance to everybody's cameras.
Let's start again.
No, not starting again.
No, lift them up in the air.
We're not doing Carol bloody dance here.
Remix.
Shit.
Carol. Gonna fall over.
You're tired. Next. Who's next? Oh god, here we go. Oh my god.
Oh no, it's challenging.
Spin the person.
Yeah.
Spin the bottle.
This is so I can't feel my legs.
Here he goes.
We trained.
He's trained in dancing. Go on then. Yes. Round of applause.
Tony!
What?
You have to dance now. Pass us your camera.
Oh, okay, I'm ringing. I'm ringing.
Always an excuse with you. Go.
Hang on.
So much big.
I'm just putting it in my face. I don't like putting camcorders in my face. It's Tallie, isn't it?
Ironhead.
Hello.
Ironhead. With an E, so that people know we're not messing with them.
You're in the Sheffield train station. Right. As you go out the door, alright? I'm filming myself talking this. Go out the door, you see a big fountain.
Are you actually doing it?
There is it.
Like a big wall thing, yeah? Of water, yeah? Follow that up, and then there's like straight across the road, there's a long path, and we're at the top of it, waiting for you. Right? In a minute.
I am planning on doing it.
I'm taking you out of there.
I'm filming Tallie. Tallie's alright. Hello, Tallie. You just I got in my face. Shit. Right. Oh, we're distracting. Oh, stop filming. Okay, bye.
Bye.